Listen, I get it. We all want to save money, but when it comes to a specialty service, you definitely want to look into the company that you're hiring to make sure that they can provide a really high quality result. This is the result of a cheap, paintless dent repair attempt that was made. Sounded great to the customer. Nobody wants to have to pay for a mistake, especially twice. I get that, but you really want to make sure you do research and find somebody that is going to give you a super high quality outcome. It takes many years of repetition and skill to pull these repairs off to a really high level to the point that they're undetectable when they're done. And you can see that we were able to go in there, rework this damage, keep the original paint and parts on this beautiful Highline Range Rover. This has got to be a $200,000 plus vehicle. Don't just trust anyone out there to do your paintless dent repair. Do your research. You will thank yourself in the end. I appreciate everybody watching this and hope you have a great day.